Aloha from Hawaii. Today we're stepping on board Norwegian Cruise Line's Pride of America. Picture your next dream vacation on board one of the most patriotic ships at sea. It's the only U.S. flagged ship that sails in Hawaii year-round, including overnights. That means more time in Hawaiian ports and a crew that hails predominantly from the United States.
Aloha pumehana kako. My name is Malu Punohu. I'm your cruise director on board, and we're really looking forward for you to come out and visit us. Mahalo and a komo mai welcome. Well, I think that most people are most surprised by two things. The first thing being how much port time we have, because we have more port time than any other cruise ship in Hawaii, and there's so much to see and do that it's wonderful for them. And speaking about Hawaii, that's the second thing that surprises people is how Hawaiian the ship actually is, because we offer so many different Hawaiian programs and cultural experiences. It's a lot of fun. We have Hawaiian ambassadors on board. They teach hula, lei making, do lectures. We have Hawaiian shows, and of course the luau. So lots and lots of Hawaiiana, the culture of the islands. We start off on Oahu in Honolulu. We go down south to the island of Maui. We dock in Kahului for 2 days, and then we make our way further south to the big island of Hawaii. And the big island is so big that we are there for 2 days, but we sail from one side to the other. So we start off on the east side in Hilo, and then on Wednesday we go over to the Kona side. Now Wednesday night we go the furthest distance from the southernmost island all the way up to the northernmost island, which is the island of Kauai, and we're there for 2 days. A lot of people are surprised by the fact that we overnight in Maui and Kauai, but the reason why we do that is to give them more time ashore. And we have lots of activities going on the ship all day, all night, but we really want you to experience Hawaii, and this is very itinerary intensive. So we want you to go ashore, go see everything you want to see, so that when you return to us, you can relax, have a bite to eat, and go catch a show or something. One of the benefits of cruising on this itinerary is that we maximize the amount of time that you have in every port, so you can book more shore excursions, which means you can really experience the island, because there's so many different shore excursion options that sometimes it's hard to just choose one. So you have a lot of options out there. For instance, in Maui, one of the very popular things to do is the Road to Hana. So it gives you more options and more flexibility to do everything.
Let your travel professional book those shore excursions in advance, because the popular trips sell out fast. Pride of America has 19 extraordinary dining options. I'm sure you'll find the dry-aged steaks and chops at Cagney Steakhouse are grilled to perfection. Other dining venues include French cuisine at Jefferson's Bistro, Moderno, an authentic Brazilian steakhouse, and don't forget to stop by and watch the shrimp fly at Teppanyaki. Here's what you need to know about booking a stateroom. First, your travel professional will effortlessly guide you through the stateroom selection process. Second, my recommendation is to book a spacious stateroom with a balcony. You'll love the view of our nation's 50th state, including whale watching, witnessing the Kilauea volcano, or taking in the dramatic views of the Nepali coast. Depending on your budget, you may choose to upgrade and stay in a suite or a family suite. Bringing the children on board is an excellent idea, especially here on Pride of America, as they have programs for children of all ages. But whether or not you're bringing the children, just be sure to take enough time for you. Stroll along the sun-drenched decks, get pampered in the Mandara Spa, learn about Hawaiian culture, and above all, enjoy every minute of your next dream vacation on board Norwegian Cruise Line's Pride of America. Thank you for watching. Start planning your dream vacation today by contacting your vacation specialist.